Hey, this is Tommy with Profile Industries. Today we're doing a sort on a 500 micron bead on our belt sorter. For this specific application, we're using a stainless steel belt. Still got our open design, so it's easy to watch, easy to clean. We have our beads, easy adjustability with our controls right here in the control panel. But as you can see, we got beads ranging from your most round to your semi rounds here. So you can have really a flexibility in choosing, what product you want to keep and what product you don't want to keep. And then obviously you have your flats, brokens, non-round material going to the end of the belt. Completely adjustable. We can adjust the conveyor speed so we can make it go faster, make it go slower. You can change the speed of the feeding machine, so you can see we're pretty heavily fed right now, so we can slow that down and get a smaller feed rate going. You can also adjust the incline, so we can lower the incline, raise it, and we can also change the runoff as well. So completely adjustable, easy to run, easy to operate. You can see it separating, and just a cool customized version of the belt sorter with this stainless steel belt. So thanks for watching.